everybody. It's Chantel with Telly's Talking Chalk. How's everybody doing today? I hope you are well. I'm going to be blind. I hope you are all well. If you are live with me, say hello. Let me know where you're coming in from. Like and follow the business page. Check out my Talking Chalk VIP. You can also find me on Instagram, YouTube, and TikTok. All in Telly's Talking Chalk. Let me just turn this down. See who's all here. Hey, how are you, sweetheart? I'm doing well. Thank you for jumping in. So we have our transfer of the day that we are using. I think this is in the right spot. I can't see myself yet. Nope, it's not. So I'll move it up. And we are going to use our double-sided box frame. Now, with these box frames, they're awesome because this one is a, what did I say? 5x7. And the neat thing about it is it has a white side, and it also has a brown side. Today we're going to use the white side. Sure. And I decided that we're going to use this new purple that I got. It's Shimmer Very Hairy. Or Shimmer Shadow. So they both go really well together. Don't mix colors. And we do have our fuzzing cloth because I have this transfer yet, as we just got it in. If you back at my, I believe it was my last video, was our reveal of my last shipment in. I love that purple too, eh? So pretty. And it's cool for like Halloween color too. I believe there's other shimmers that I can get, like a shimmer, which would be really good for Halloween coming up. Now this is super sticky. I'm just going to do this a couple of times. Hello everybody coming in. If I can't see your comments, like and follow the business page we are on right now. That will help. Oh, hey Heather. Oh. Steadier camera holder for the one on top. People, they go for a ride. It's funny. So I'm just going to place this evenly. I'm going to move it just closer to me for 1 minute. I know some people said that they couldn't make it. I tried to do hour-long lives, and some people were actually able to make it, but some people just can't commit an hour. So now I just try to do my smaller projects. And we're gonna do better black. I'm sorry you guys are on a massive ship ride today. I talk about shipwrecked in the beginning of all my lives when I first started, because that's what happens. I start moving around and doing stuff, and you get bounced around. Now, because there is shimmer in here, you might need to put a little more effort into it just to get it through, because this isn't your typical transfer where it's all open. There is actually silkscreen in to make some texture. It's not always fully open. I could. For everybody, I would. But I don't want to do like a big live if nobody's going to be here. I do have a custom order actually that somebody placed with me yesterday. So I might, depending, do that on a live. I normally don't do custom orders on lives just because I get scared of messing up while I'm talking to you. But the one that I've got that's a custom order is pretty basic, so it should be easy. Yeah, you're not going to be able to do anything about it now. So we're just going to do this. What I'm going to do is I'm going to do this part, and then we're going to do the peel and paste. Oh, I do need you for a second, though. You're going to swipe it, let's hold it still. Need your help, because I need your underneath that so that we can pull it up. Sorry, guys. Hold on. Hold on to the ship. Don't bump your head as we try to make this work. Shimmer's awesome. I love it. There's in shimmer, so it's nice that they've come out with a couple more. Oh, real in this one. Because it's right almost to the edge for this one. So, Heather, I love you. That's awesome. Pull it as straight and even as you can so you don't wreck it. And you only want to pull till there. Thank you, sir. Now we're just going to let that dry for a second. I don't want to put that over and make it worse. We don't want it to smudge. It does, however, have some ghosting around the edges, which is kind of cool, actually. Now we're just going to pat it down. We're just going to push down around where the meat or the flowers are. I call them all leaves. Now we're going to need, and we're going to grab this. Hey, Cammy, how are ya? Thank you. I do too, actually. Now, keep in mind, I am using my teeth. If any of your kids are seeing any of this, it is but it's not harmful. Kimmy, I have like 5 seconds more work to do here. Stick around. you just pull it up after that. Put that in a jar because we don't want to waste it. If I can get at it. Okay. All I'm doing is pushing it back down. Paul, can you? No, I need you to. Well, it's annoying me too, but I'm just gonna pull this last part up. Oh, it's super sticky here. Ta-da! And that is our finished project. I hope you like. If you do, let me know below. Oh gosh, I still have jars that I started with 3 years ago. It just depends on how many times you use it. And if you keep making distilled water in it to keep it moist, it'll last you until all of it's gone. I know one, a paste packet, which I have, and it's about this big, this wide, and they did 13 projects with just this. So they last a while. This one doesn't feel like it's as filled as normal, but that's what they did. So you got lots and lots. If I can, I will find took all of what she did in one piece and show you what she got. All right, guys. Well, that's all I have for you. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you next time. Bye, guys.